Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to turn off analytics on TikTok. So, just a disclaimer, TikTok still doesn't have an option in which you can turn off analytics right away in just one click. But this method that I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So, let's begin. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you're done, simply open TikTok app, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Once you're here, click on Settings and Privacy, and then under the Account section, you may be able to see the very first option, which is Manage Account. Click on Manage Account and then make sure to switch to either a personal one or a business account. So you just simply click on Switch to, wait for it to load, and then you may be able to switch it to personal one. So once you have switched your account into a personal one, you may be able to see that the analytics has been turned off. So what does analytics do? So in analytics, you may be able to see the measurement of your weekly and monthly growth of your video. Also, you may see how much or how many people are watching your video, how much interacted with your video, and then that's it. That's how you can turn off analytics on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.